by 7 London session. Okay, now we're gonna just get straight to it. We're just looking at UJ, looking at buys or sells, but we were just looking at. I was looking at sells. Yeah, I did what we were saying. Look at this trend line, bro. Fucking respecting
Mm,
its father and mother.
mm,
Um, but what I wanted to tell you, I did was right here. So you know how when I came here, I was late on this trade, extremely late. Yeah, look, I entered
mm,
way. Could have entered again here and went up, but so point is um I thought there was gonna be a deeper fill as well, but if you look at the 1 hour, okay,
mm-hmm.
this is the fair value gap, and if you also look
Yeah,
at the 4 hour, this
yeah.
is also the same fair value gap, so it fills the halfway point of the 1 hour, 4 hour. I go on the 8 hour, same thing. So I was like,
Mm,
yo, like it's definitely not daily, but like I zoom 1, 2, 4, 8, and I'm like, yo, it fills it 2 times,
yeah,
you know.
yeah,
So
yeah.
so like I should have bought here. It was an easy buy. But then I think this OB should hold because it's an OB and this fair value gap sits here. And
Mm-hmm.
you know when this came up, it swept so much liquidity. And then on top of that, well, maybe I lose this trade, but I could be right overall. And then on top of
Yeah.
that, if I just hide the drawings and show you, yo, taking when you put
Mm.
this, it's nice, right? But it feels like it's like a little too tacky. I like to put both of them. Taken, I
I
don't know,
like
I
both of
see,
them as well. I like
because I
both as
see it
well.
more
Yeah.
clear.
Correct.
But honestly, if I were to do a little difference, I would do this. Just take the name out. If you can just take
Yeah.
the name out,
Yeah.
or just put NY out the end. So,
TK.
so, so, so I was looking here. I'm like London.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, usually all the moves happen after Tokyo. So like Tokyo, boom, Tokyo, boom, 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 Tokyo.
Today was
Af-
today was a good Tokyo.
Today was a really good Tokyo. So I think it might actually just come up here, test this
But
OB
yeah,
higher, but sweep
yeah,
Tokyo and then reverse down.
yeah.
Or
They say people say sometimes if Tokyo had a big move, typically the sessions following they don't really have the biggest of moves.
let's see here. Let's we can confirm this. Alright, so we'll start right here. Not a big move. Equal, decent. Not a big, better, bigger, decent. How much is this? 8 to 60 pips. So let's see. Big move, also a really big move.
Mm.
Decent, 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 decent. Big move.
Okay, take a look at this. Um, go to go to GU. Now I feel like Price. Look at these two New York lows, bro. I just feel like
Yeah.
Price wants to at least sweep the first one, the higher low there. Yeah, I feel like Price wants to sweep that. So I definitely want to look for sells right now because market's been down a little bit. USD gaining some bullish momentum.
Yeah, I don't know why though. There's so
Yeah,
much
I think it's
uncertainty
because
around
of
the
the bill.
tariffs.
Yeah, the
The
tariffs and I think
stupid
that bill as well.
bill is making some damage.
Yeah. So GU, I feel like I definitely want to look for a sell right now because Tokyo was down. So I feel like um, maybe London could continue the trend. So let's see. But
I
I'm
want this bad boy.
yeah. But again, it's Monday. It's first day of the week, so I don't want to force anything because I want the market to give me more data before I take something.
Yeah.
There's no news today, so
UJ is looking mean right now.
yeah, it could hit that high, and I feel like there's a lot of liquidity there, so I feel like it could either
Look,
sweep and go down.
look, Tokyo, London,
Yeah,
New York.
bro. Oh, that's a great liquidity sweep there, man. To continue back downwards, or maybe it could go higher. You never know. Let's see.
I fear when UJ drops, it's going to be a sharp drop, a really sharp drop. Almost
Yeah,
impossible to catch kind of drop.
maybe. Yeah.
Which is the same with GU. When it goes up, it's going to be a really sharp up.
Yeah. Gold's continuing down.
But I'd love to trade gold, man. But it scares me.
It scares now. Facts. And so many people trade gold. It's insane, dude. So many people.
No, there's 100 million in 5 strategies on how to trade gold.
Yeah.
Are you looking at USD CHF?
No.
Good.
I don't care.
EU as well is looking nice.
EU.
Here, let me show you. It already swept all of this. And then you have, this is a major point of demand. This area. But it's kind of huge. We can narrow it down a bit. It's close to it.
Yeah.
There's a fair value gap here. 15 minute,
Where?
2 times. 1, 2. And it's at both of them. Yeah. I'll draw it one time. Yeah, it's pretty accurate. And this London swept Tokyo. Tokyo swept these 3. I don't think it can come down and sweep this. Swap this is too deep. It's too low. Big demand here.
Yeah.
So EU's a potential. So now for GU. Let me see GU. So I also have marked at 15, but garbage. So it's really close. But I'd say like GU's demand area is shared between both of these. So it's like somewhere here. So it is currently in demand. I don't know, do you think it'll come down and sweep this? to come to the order block type shit. Because
Could
there's a fat ass order block here. It is inside of the order block
No.
on. Yeah. Okay. James looking like a pie. He's already broke 15 twice. I don't know why the hell it's down. It's not looking good. Yeah.
Apologies.
No, it is not broke. How's your mama doing?
Okay, alhamdulillah, she's welcome.
School's
out. No, of course. Yeah, of course.
I noticed the crib sounds very lively. I heard it the moment you hooked on. Alhamdulillah, good. School be out. So, I was saying to the stream, GU's looking like a good buy because I've marked a 1 hour OB here. It's the same for both you and I. And this 1 hour OB, which is this red candle. It's currently in 1 hour OB. And we did the 15-minute fair value too early.
Okay.
Wait, GU? I think your GU is different. Oh no, that was EU, the fair value gap. So EU is currently in this fair value gap. Okay, it's a 15-minute fair value gap. And it broke structure on the 5-minute. Retraced down. Just broke structure twice.
Okay, so if this candle
look at this. Beginning of London, it comes down to sweep Tokyo low, break structure, comes down again, okay, to like, it's like a, I want to say, but this is going to be like a break and retest, and it's going to continue down though, because look, it broke, retested, broke, you know, like I don't know, it could be wrong, but what I see as well is, you know, I'm just being cautious, but what I see is snapped in, broke structure, snapped in, broke structure again. So if it breaks structure a third time, I think maybe an entry. And if it breaks structure a third time, which is now in the next 5 and 8 minutes, then it'll line up 5 and 15, then you can take a very solid entry. At the same time, look at it on a bearish note. So, you know, I'm saying bullish, but you gotta be careful, assess risk. So on a bearish note, if we take it here and it doesn't break through this fair value gap, we're toast. We gotta cut our losses. Okay, here. This already broke structure on the 15-minute, which is what in a 1 hour OB. Problem is, it came right back down. So on the 1 hour, it was right a minute ago. Yeah, it still is. So, but this is a major demand area right here. Tell it by, look at these long ass wicks. This is really messy, but it gets everybody confused. I need to keep these till we meet with Shaw and then I'll delete them.
So, are we looking to meet him tomorrow? Hopefully we can.
Y'all can send me a message after I go to sleep.
Yeah, of course.
Maybe we'll do 4 p.m. And my brother, you wanted to long gold. I mean, it's a good time to long gold. just because it swept so much liquidity going down. Look, this last move during Tokyo swept both of these, this, this. Look at all this on the left.
Yeah.
So it's a good buy.
Yeah, it's from Tokyo. Yeah.
Form a 1 hour OB. Yes, it did.
No.
On my gold, at least, because it's not there. Let me just make sure. Yeah. What the hell is wrong with your gold? What the hell? Why is my gold not moving the same? No way. Okay. I cannot put this.
Yeah, that's so deceiving. That's crazy.
That's so deceiving. We're back down here again.
Yeah.
Oh, it has not swept under lows. I mean, look, Tokyo lows.
Wait,
That's
gee.
so sus. Look.
For me, yeah, it hasn't swept. Yeah, that's right. It hasn't swept.
Oh my god, it's so close. You're talking about one pip. I bet one delta.
Yeah, like
Wow.
two
No, not even.
2
One.
pivots. 2 delta, yeah. Oh, is it 1?
One. 2 for me, 1 for you. That's crazy, rap. You could take an early trade here, but it's shit. We have
Honestly, there's no setup.
The setup is here. We have 15-minute BOS, just a deeper retracement.
GU buy a fair value gap. Interesting. Nothing on G.
Nothing yet.
Nothing on
I'm looking
GJ.
at it on a 5-minute perspective, and it's not looking good.
On GJ or GU?
GU, because I haven't looked at GJ once. Because there's this trend line right here. It's not breaking.
Yeah. It's not breaking. True.
If it taps the trend line, then I'm almost certain it'll break here at this point. And there's about 2 minutes left for a 15-minute candle. So if it clips it,
yeah,
then I think it would be a solid entry. But anyways, then we have EU. Oh no, it's not good. Minute 40 left. Has ways to go. It's got about 7 pips to go.
That top wick is crazy.
Oh my god, no, this is insane.
It lost the freaking candle. Jesus, there's no body.
When's the 1 hour close? Oh my god, the 1 hour close is a 1 minute too.
Yeah, Baba. Oh gosh, my bad, bro. I just got the handyman over, so we're just getting lamps
Of course,
installed.
bro.
Just, yeah, apologies. I keep running out.
That's light, my bro. Be there.
First hour in London is mainly, at least for the USD pairs, it's bullish for USD. The first
Yeah.
hour.
No.
And yet, gold has melted.
All get swept. GU swept the bottom of Tokyo.
Yeah, finally did. My inducement. Inducement. The
Where's the
inducement.
zone that you had marked?
Which zone? I just have a zone on gold. That's it.
Oh, yeah, it's on
Which also got induced. And then I have the GJ order block there, 15 minutes. That's it. Those are the two things I marked. That's it.
gold. Okay.
Yeah.
This is about to sweep it.
Well, it still could be a session inducement
Yeah.
on gold and continue and maybe go upwards because we see it so many times we get stopped and then price goes our way
Yeah.
when you're trading supply demand.
I feel like it's gonna. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm gonna go
Okay,
refidget.
gold.
Can
Oh, it's
you give
session's
me
not
like
what I
5 minutes?
Are Inter, are you going office today or are you
Nah, definitely not. Definitely not going office, nigga. I'm so kicked up. I'm about to fall asleep on this chair trading
no
and
valid,
talking.
bro? Yeah,
I'm about to
that's
jump
the
in bed
perfect
with
way
a
to sleep.
laptop in hand. Oh, beauty. Beauty.
Yalla, until you prefer. Come back.
Okay, give me 5 minutes. I'll be back.
Yeah,
Or 10 minutes, bro. Go check up on Amor Khalid. See if they need
yeah,
something.
yeah. For
Man
sure.
of the house, do your thing, hey?
No, of course.
I'm about to mute myself.
Yalla, sounds good.
buddy? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I'm gonna enter gold longs. Swept liquidity. Swept the low, broke structure on the 15 minute. I'm gonna enter the quick liquidity sweep, break a structure entry. That one.
We'll see.
No gold.
Share your screen.
Yeah, let me share. You see the screen?
Mm-hmm.
Here you go. There's swept this low here, in fact, which I can drag over here. Price swept over here. Broke structure. And yep, broke structure over here in the 15 minute. I want to try these longs to this wick over here, 10 pips. We'll see what happens. Bismillah, of course. At the midpoint of the order block. I feel like that's a good stop.
Yeah, it's a beautiful stop.
Because now it properly swept Tokyo as well. It swept Tokyo lows. And it broke structures. I feel like this could be the manipulation.
Asira, my brother. My brother.
Let's see what we're going. Let's see what we're going. Let's see what we're going. And then, yep. Nothing else really. I'm just gonna let price kind of dictate further. But maybe GU could be targeting these lows here. That's it. We'll see what happens.
Live with Alpha Axis, July 7th. July 7th.
London sesh.
Yes, sir. I wrote that.
Not FA.
Oh my god, we need to do a new playlist.
Oh, for Q3, yeah.
Yeah, woohoo. Yes, done. Beautiful. Exactly how you like it. Not seeing anything from GU or EU.
EU, no. EU. Yeah, EU is just tanking right now. So.
Oh my goodness.
It's just red candle. Same with GU, they're both just showing red candles, so. Let's see. But yeah, I think we can call it there. What do you think?
Yeah.
I've already entered a position. We'll see what happens. Let me just share it again with the chat and for further reference. Share my screen. Let me know if you can see it.
Chat says we can.
Chat says we can, lovely. So if I go down to the 15-minute on gold, you see price during Tokyo tanks and sweeps this previous New York low, sweeps this previous Tokyo low, and now with London open, as we have the indicator telling us when it opens, we see that price now comes down even further, sweeping this previous low here as well, and breaking structure on the 15-minute. And I just entered a quick buy stop on my MetaTrader. And yeah, now just looking to target these wicks, 10 pips on gold with a 5 pip stop loss, 1 to 2. Just keep it simple.
Keep it super simple.
So that's a trade.
Inshallah, double. Inshallah, winner.
Inshallah, bro, there's something on gold really, would really make me happy. A double in gold would definitely make me happy, inshallah. Tamam. Oh yeah, that's a trade, chat.
Sounds
Habibi,
beautiful. Good ass
Yalla,
trade.
good trade, inshallah. Good that you're awake, Wallah, I really, really appreciate it. May Allah reward you for the hard work, the long hours.
I mean, Ajmain.
And may this compound, may this truly compound in the intended manner that we want it to.
Ameen.
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 Yalla, Habibi.
Ameen. Habibi Abdul. Enjoy your day,
Yalla, sleep. Habibi, you too as well. I'll speak to you in the morning, inshallah.
Inshallah. Habibi. Take care, my brother.
You too as well, my guy. Allah ma'ak.
Allah ma'ak, Habibi. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.